Hey fashion designers, have you ever found yourself sketching out a design and wishing you could see it come to life instantly? Well, I'm here to introduce you to CLO 3D, the groundbreaking software that's revolutionizing the fashion industry. First off, let's talk about what CLO 3D actually is. It's a state-of-the-art 3D garment visualization tool that allows you to create true-to-life 3D prototypes. Imagine being able to see your designs in real time, make adjustments on the fly, and even simulate different fabrics and patterns. Sounds like a game changer, right? Now you might be thinking, do I need to be a tech wizard to use this? Absolutely not. CLO 3D is incredibly user-friendly. Its intuitive interface means that whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, you'll be able to navigate it with ease. The software provides a range of tutorials and guides to help you get up to speed quickly. One of the coolest features of CLO 3D is its ability to simulate the drape and movement of fabrics. This means you can see how your design will look and behave in the real world without needing to create a physical sample. It's like having a virtual fitting room at your fingertips. Plus, it supports a wide range of fabrics and materials, so you can experiment with different textures and finishes. But that's not all. CLO 3D also integrates seamlessly with other design and CAD software like Adobe Illustrator and AutoCAD. This means you can easily import your existing designs and take them to the next level. And if you're working in a team, CLO 3D's collaborative features make it easy to share your work and get feedback in real time. And let's not forget about sustainability. By using CLO 3D, you can significantly reduce waste in the design process. No more endless rounds of physical samples and fittings. You can make all your adjustments in the virtual space, saving both time and resources. It's a win-win for both your business and the environment. So, how do you get started with CLO 3D? It's as simple as heading to their website and downloading a free trial. Give it a test run, explore its features, and see how it can transform your design workflow. Trust me, once you start using CLO 3D, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Alright, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights on the latest fashion design tools and trends. Until next time, happy designing.